Alright, hey guys, so I'm back for another video. So today, I'm going to show you how to clean your Xbox 360. Because you know, mine was like nasty inside, covered in dust. And it stopped working, I guess because of that. Because when I cleaned it, it worked perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to revive your Xbox 360. So, of course, take out your hard drive. Boom. Put that to the side. Then, you gotta grab your tools over here. You grab your tools. Grab your tools. And then, so you grab a really small screwdriver. Okay? A really small screwdriver. Like this size. You see that? Really small. It would work better if it's a flathead. But you know, I think a Phillips head would work. But you know, this is better. So then you just jam it in these holes. And it should like pop open. Hold on. It should pop open. So yeah. Boom, wait. Camera lady, can you help me out? Yes. Yes. Okay, so camera lady says to do that. Hey, the camera lady, I don't think this is working. You just kind of stick it in there and pry it open. Kind of. That doesn't sound good. Oh no. We're breaking everything. Boom! We didn't break nothing. I mean, we didn't break anything. Very good English, right? So you just pop that off, doing your screwdrivers in these like holes and stuff. Bam! Other side. There we go. Just stick it in these holes and stuff. Camera lady, you're better at this. Oh, see, camera lady's genius. See, bam, you stick it in there. Boom! Thank you, camera lady. So you just stick it in there, boom, pry it open. I think she stuck it in here, pop it off. All right, now, you take the front, and you take your 2 fingers or something, open this flap up, stick it in, and then just pry it. Ow! Pry it open. Ow. 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 That really hurt. Okay. Now, you just, you got this. So now, you just open it carefully. I'm joking. Hey, camera lady, can you grab it?
Yeah.
That one's easy to get. This one I can't never get. Just stick it in there. Grab multiple screwdrivers and just jam it in. Boom! Nice, right? And I broke it. Okay. This one got the red ring of death anyway, so it doesn't matter. I have a different one. That's the one I cleaned. But this one's just for demonstration. You know. So this one's all broken and stuff. So then for the back's a little harder. The back, you have to, there's these little holes. Hold on, close up. Let me see, close up.
Okay, I'll look you.
See, as you can see, there's these little holes right here and stuff. And you just want to stick your screwdriver in there. And it should like start popping open. So you just take your screwdriver and stick it in. Just stick it in the holes. Not these holes, these holes. Look right here. Boom! You see that? Nice, right? Nice, right? Meaning me like a hammer. Bang, bang. Just stick it in there and fry it. I think I just broke everything, but no worries. Just stick it. Someone's holding it together.
Maybe this the last one.
Go, stick it in.
Okay, hold on.
You just stick it in all the holes and then it should pop open. You might break it, but don't worry.
Oops.
See, I told you, you might break it.
Oops.
Oh my.
Something holding it.
Okay.
You got it.
My gosh. This last one's holding it.
Oh, there we go.
We're having a little
Wait.
difficulties. Oh my gosh, we broke a huge chunk off. Come on, camera lady, you serious?
Something is holding here.
Camera lady, come on.
Okay.
Wow,
All right.
we destroyed it.
Oh.
Like obliterated. Massive piece of plastic just broke off. Okay, just put that to the side. Now you're left with this. So you just want to pull off this front piece right here. This little like eject button. Just pull that off. Boom, comes off. Put that to the side. Don't lose it though. Okay. Now you take your screwdriver, different kind, not these. You need a special one for this. So you take this one right here. I'm gonna show you close up. What is it's like a 6-pointed star, and it's really small. So yeah, take that thing and just stick it in your screwdriver. And now unscrew only the gray screws, okay? Only the gray ones. So here, 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 and here, okay? So I'll be right back when they're all unscrewed. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have unscrewed it. So all you do is flip it over and boom. Nice, right? So just put that to the side and now you can see the insides. Nice, right? Alright, so now just gotta grab your air duster. Boom, blast away. Alright, so you take your blast away and you just stick it in here and stuff. Whoa, did you hear that? That was loud, but it was nice, right? Just spray the fans too. Okay. Nice, right? Okay. You just nice, right? You just stick it in and squirt everywhere. You blast away all the dust. Awesome, right? So, and then you just stick it in the sides and stuff and all over the place and in the fan and boom, blast away. Okay, so yeah, bye-bye. You should probably figure out how to put it back together yourself. So yeah, bye-bye, and see you in a different video. Bye-bye.